Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've been on here, but I'm getting my butt whipped at my job, so I really am trying to be more active uploading. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. So today's video is gonna be a Laura Lee unboxing. I ordered her mystery bag. Super excited. Don't mind the no makeup, the hair not done. I plan on using the makeup. Here's the box right here. I plan on using that in today's look. I'm not gonna do a whole tutorial or everything. I'm just gonna unbox it and then I'll come back with the look that I created using the makeup in this box. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, I just spit everywhere while I'm at it. If that's something you're interested in seeing, make sure you stay tuned, and then also make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, let me cut her open. I've had this for a few days now, and it's been so hard for me not to open, but if you guys could see my room, my beauty room is literally a mess. But I got a friend on the way over. We're about to go out and have some drinks. I'm already starting. Anyway, I can get into this freaking thing. Ugh. Okay. I'm super excited. Low key, like about the bag alone is already super exciting. So here's the inside, the way they package it. Super cute. Laura Lee logo. It comes with this little card. Laura Lee Los Angeles. Oh, it already has a spoiler on it. I don't know if you guys saw it in the camera. Here's the bag. It's super cute. So just kind of like a reference. It's like, that's my hand, that's my head. And then if you look really close, it's got like sparkles on it, but it's also like matte looking kind of. And then it's got the rose gold zipper. I'm so excited. There's other stuff in here too, so it's not just what comes in the bag. Laura Lee Beauty Sponge, that was the spoiler. Oh my God, how exciting. I hope this is good. I'm sure it is good, it's freaking Laura Lee. Then also a mirror, I love this. This bag is already a really good bang for your buck. And I saw some spoilers. I was trying to like scroll through and not see them. Oh, it's a double-sided. Is one closer than the other? Yeah, and then now when I'm looking at this big old pimple right here, why don't y'all say nothing? Anyway, and then it's like marble and it's got the Laura Lee logo on it as well. That's so cool. And then there's even more in here. There's a palette down in here. So, oh, and then something else I almost threw away. This stuff's like not even in the bag. How cool. I'm like drooling on myself today. I'm drooling over the box. So there's a palette and then there's also this liquid. God. Maybe I'm thirsty. Let me get a drink. Truly Pineapple is my favorite. This stuff's like not even in the bag. It's separate from the bag. Like what in the world? That's so cool. So this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles. I guess it's just, it doesn't say what the name of the palette is. I only own one thing by Laura Lee and I love her to death. I got this palette here and I got it signed by her. I met her in Destin at the Destin Commons, like right outside of Sephora, the Nudie Patootie palette. And then I also bought her a little kitty cat bath bomb from Lush and gave it to her when I met her. She was so sweet. I met Erin and I met Tyler. Oh, this is a Z palette. That's why there was no name to it. I'm so dumb. Cute. Oh my God. I'm so excited. How cool. This is already such a good bag. But with the spoilers I saw, like, guys, I have nowhere to set any of this stuff. All right, I'm opening her up. Super cute. I'll show you the bag at the end. Okay, so the Nudie Patootie palette comes in it already. And I already have one. So I might give this to a friend or gift it, put it in a giveaway. I don't have very many followers, so the one giveaway I did was kind of a bust. But anyway, so I do have 2 of these now. I will keep this one forever and always because she's so sweet and she was so kind when I met her. And then I'll just go ahead and open it up for you. I'll open my old palette. That's them there. The shades, I do love that palette. It's a very easy everyday look palette. She packaged everything super cute. This is a packaging here. Oh wait, I do own another palette by her. I own the rainbow one. I hope this isn't the same. Oh wait, no, these are individual things. And it's okay if I get repeats, no big deal. Shut up right now. I got 6, hold on. I got 6 of her individual pressed eyeshadows. Oh my God. Drunk Flamingo, Cobalt Cat, Sweet Pea, Copper Hopper, Night Sky, and Crystal Sea. Oh my, this is already so good. So that makes sense for the Z palette. I can just put these right in. I'm literally obsessed. I'm like literally losing my mind. This is the coolest bag already. And then I got a bunch of her brushes. Not a bunch, there's 2. I see 2. Okay, tight. They're packaged really cute. Ooh, yes, ma'am. Okay, cute. And then this little packer brush. And then this fluffy one, super soft, super good quality. All right. And then, last but not least, is this, it's like a 2-pack. I'm assuming these are her highlighter. That's how it's packaged. I think it's her highlighter palette, or bronzer palette, or something like that. Glazed Bronze Lit Kit by Laura Lee Los Angeles. I got a lit kit. Y'all, this is so dope. Oh my God. Before I open this, let me just show you the inside of the bag here. So I just put the things down there. And then this has got its own little pouch here. This is so cute. Right now I use the Allie Glines bag, makeup bag. And I'm going to Vegas next month. So I plan to have like cute bags to take with me. I've never been to Vegas, but I'm going with work. But anyway, so I have those bags to like organize my makeup. I'm so excited. Anyway, this is medium to deep and then light to medium. Let's open it up. This is so cool. I'm so excited on all this stuff. Here they are. I'm sure we've all seen them. So cute. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay. And then this is the bronzed one. Ooh. Okay. From that one there. This color is screaming my name. I love that. Oh, cute. Okay. So that there is the bag. I know this is a very quick video. I just wanted to show you guys on camera what I got because I'm so excited. And then I'm going to hop off camera. I'm going to do my makeup. And then I'm going to come back and show you the final look and what I used. So, I might just use my old Nudie Patootie palette because I don't want to go into these. I don't have time. Oh yeah, I didn't open the lipstick. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. I hate when I ruin the packaging. Like, I know I'm throwing it away, but it's like, I also hate ruining it. This is the shade Show Off, by the way. That's the cute packaging. That's her cute. I don't have any lip formulas from her at all, so I will definitely be wearing this today in today's look. All right, so what I'll do is I'll do my makeup with my old Nudie Patootie palette because I don't have time to unpackage all of my individual eyeshadows, but I'm super excited about them. You just have no idea. So I'll come back and do a whole nother look in another video. So I'll use the sponge, the highlighter, the bronzer, the Nudie Patootie palette, and then the lipstick. So I'll be back in just a minute to show you the my makeup look and then tell you what I used and how I felt about everything, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll be right back. It's like magic. All right, guys, I am back. I have not done my hair yet. I'm trying to get this video finished before my friend gets here. So you're just gonna have to look at the crazy hair right now. Okay, sorry about it. I mean, it's not terrible, but like, it's whatever. Anyway, this is the final look. I did my makeup like really fast today. Like, I don't know, I'm just having a good makeup day or what, but like, okay, so I used her glazed palette. I used the Rose All Day in Diamonds on my cheeks, and also I used diamonds in my highlights on my eyes and the inner corner and the brow bone. And then I used the bronzed gold on my inner lid here because I'm obsessed, and I use this color and this color as my bronzer. I just kind of throw all over. I love being shiny and everything, and most people aren't into it, but I don't care. I'm not most people. I like it. Her lipstick formula is very comfortable. I have to see how it wears before I decide if I like it or not, but it's very comfortable so far. I'll keep you posted on it. And then as far as the eyeshadow look, I use Naked Butt Naked, and Streaking, all on the outer portion of the eye. And then her sponge is really soft, really bouncy is the word I'm looking for, and it worked really well. As you can see, I did use it. I did enjoy this. I didn't do like a baking or a powder or anything like that, so I don't know how it works with powder. And then I think that's all the products I used with hers today. So this is the final look. Again, sorry about the hair. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited about this bag. It is definitely a good bang for your buck. I think I paid $60 for it. I think I got the middle bag. There's a small, middle, and a large. I got the middle bag, and I'm really impressed. Like, I almost wish I would have just gone up to the 70. I think it's 75 for the big one, and seen how much more I would have gotten. But I'm like not disappointed in this bag at all. So, Lauralee, you did that, girl. Anyway, love you guys. Also, look at my nails. They're getting buck wild. Like, this one's like coming off, but they're lasting a lot longer than usual. I got them like Russian style. Anyway, let me shut up. I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to get ready and then go out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, it's a very short, sweet video. Short and sweet video. I can't use my words ever. And make sure you tune in next time. Hit that bell notification button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Remember to subscribe. It really helps me out. Yes, it does. Anyway, bye guys. All right, so I figured I'd hop back on and show you guys the outfit look. I know it's not great lighting in the bathroom, and it's getting done right now, so don't look at any of that. But anyway. Ooh, my hair's not crazy.